today's video. So as the previous videos haven't really worked out well for flying my drone and testing out these new batteries, I thought I'd take a walk today to a field near me and go see how they fly. So yeah, let's get going. Okay, so I've arrived at the field. It's pretty wet and I'm not exactly wearing the right shoes for this. But the sun looks quite good and that's given me a big enough reason to fly the drone for a bit. So I'm going to start off on the 6 sails. Hopefully nothing blows up, but if it does I'll have it on camera, so that's fine. Okay, so the drone's all set up. It hasn't caught fire and the battery's plugged in. So I mean that can only mean a good thing, right? But let's take it up and see how it performs. So yeah, I'll catch you in the air. So that didn't quite go to plan. My drone is in one of those trees. It's up there somewhere. Don't know if you can see it, but it's dead centre of the frame now. Stuck in that little Y bit. What's going to happen here? I don't know. Got to find something to throw at it, I guess. We'll see. I'm not quite sure what point in this video I've got up to, but I've called for help. My help is just on its way. Crossing the field now. But hopefully we can get my drone down so I can show you the footage. And also recover my GoPro and my drone. But yeah, we'll see.